The mother cat is happily holding her kitten's hand to buy fried chicken in the light rain. The mother cat was busy buying fried chicken, but didn't notice that the kitten were running into the street to play. The kitten was playing in the rain, not knowing that behind him was a motorcyclist speeding and swerving. The kitten was hit by that evil motorcyclist and lay on the road. The evil man still laughed happily while doing such an evil thing.